here, and I want them to see that you be messing with me. So fake. So wild. You're wild. It's for VLOGMAS Day 2.
Tell them good night.
Good night. You come tell them good night.
Tell them it's 11:52.
You come tell them good night. Good morning. It's Monday, December number 2. Vlogmas Day. Wow. Vlogmas December 2nd. What's happening? But yeah, I'm on my way to work. As you guys know, I'm not quite where I want to be yet as far as being a full-time influencer, YouTuber, social media employee. Yeah, I'm not that yet, but I'm working on it. So hi. I have to be to work at 8. I am gonna be a little behind, like 2-3 minutes behind, but it's nothing crazy. But yeah, today I look nice and moisturized. I know yesterday I looked a little, but it's okay because it's all good. But yeah, I'm just on my way to work. I should text them letting them know I'm gonna be a little behind. But yeah, I'm really sleepy. I did stop and get Dunkin', so I have my Dunkin' right there. This is a large. I actually asked, well, actually I didn't ask for any size, I just stated it, and then like after I paid I was like, wait, I said a medium, right? And she was like, no, you said large. And I'm like, no, I did not. I didn't say anything, but it's okay. It was only a 50-cent difference. I was gonna be petty. But yeah, so this is gonna be fun. I mean, seriously, not much is happening as far as, you know, but I'm going to my mom's house after work, so you guys will see that. Last night I was with Daquan, and he was like, you ain't bring me nothing, because we spent Thanksgiving separately. Like, he went with his family and I went with mine because I had to work. But long story short, he was like, you didn't bring me a plate from your mom's house. And I low-key thought about it, but I didn't think he'd care. But now I know he cares, so I'm going to be bringing him food. I was supposed to stop over there yesterday, but I just never did. It was like rainy and stuff, but I did happen to see my mom in Target, of course. But yeah, I think I should text them. But what was I about to say? I forgot what I was about to say. What was I talking about? I forget what I was saying, but long story damn. Nobody's trying to inch in front of you, big baller 18-wheeler. That's it. Like, relax, honey. Relax. I said honey. I was gonna say homie. But oh, Dunkin'. But yeah, I got that, and then I got the Beyond sausage sandwich. So yeah, that's what I got to eat with no cheese, because I'm a vegetarian. Again, if you guys don't know, if you've never watched any of my videos, but pretty excited about this Vlogmas thing because it's really not hard. I mean, really not much pops off, so let's just hope that, you know, we get interesting these next 23 days, 24 days. Don't get me lying, until Christmas. I'm on my way home. I mean, I'm on my way to work. I'll see you guys later. I'll let you know, but yeah, see ya. Okie dokie. No, but guys, seriously, I don't know if you can tell, but like, look what work does to you. No, but seriously, I talked to you last at like, what, 8 o'clock for real? It is like 4 going on 5 right now, and it's almost 5 o'clock, and you could just tell that like, I just don't look sad. So I'm off at 7. And then, what am I gonna do? I'm meeting up at my mom's house just to say hi, and I'm meeting Quan over there. And then, not much is popping off, but, you know, I like talking to you guys. This is really, like, I really hope, if you guys watch this, like, if you watch my Vlogmas, then, like, I appreciate you, because, like, I was like, well, what the heck am my friend Asa, hey, was, like, encouraging me, and she was like, no, just, sorry, I'm trying to find some good lighting. She was like, no, just do it. Like a little little put together. My hair's a little crazy, but whatever. She was like, you should, come on Kayla, I'm on my phone, but she was like, you should do Vlogmas, and I was like, but I don't do anything. Long story short, I'm doing it, and if you're watching this, I really appreciate you, because I promise I'm gonna like, well, no, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not about to fake. Like, I think I have to go to the store tonight. Maybe that's something we can do. But, you know, I can't, I got rent to pay, so I don't know. I want to do some more pranks on Quan though, because I just thought it was so funny. Like, he really, y'all, he's really so funny. He's really so funny. And then anybody who knows us, like, y'all know he be faking on the freaking YouTube, but trying to act like he don't want to be on camera. Well, no, he doesn't want to be on camera, but he doesn't mind it. He, like, really supports my YouTube, and he really, like, encourages me to film and stuff. But, yeah, it's funny. And he's gonna be watching this, so, period. My break's over soon. It's over at 5. It's like 4:53 right now. But, yeah. I take the steps because health. Ow. Y'all ever be walking and your ankle just be like, meh. My mom told me not to vlog because it's not finished, but I just want to show you her cute little, like, I love it. This is why I love Christmas decor. Look at the pretty tree.
Just enjoying the music. All up inside in love and Arnae. Every Sunday through Thursday, 7 p.m. to midnight. That's when it all goes down. The most romantic place on earth. You know what it's called?
I grew up with them. I really grew up with him though. Oh, this is cute. New chandelier. And look what she did with the cranberries. Look what she did with the cranberries. And in this little area, I love it.
Are you taking food?
Yes, Mom. Say hi. She's trying to get rid of the Thanksgiving food.
Hey.
Look who's here.
What's on your toes?
What's up?
It's for Vlogmas. This is so cute.
I didn't want it to.
No, I love the angel. And it's nice and tall.
It's on the side.
I can't reach.
So I'll have to get a step and bend. But it's still, I mean, you can't tell. You can tell from his like.
Why do y'all look alike? I'm just kidding. But yeah, so we're gonna go say hi to my grandma. Oh, look at this cute little girl. Mom, which one is mine?
What?
Stocking.
No.
Boo, this company sent me this package. Guys, I got a package. I can do an unboxing. So I was walking up to my mom's door, and then like the male guy just popped up around the corner. It's dark. And I was like, whoa. But it's by Pop Beauty. I'm not quite sure what it is. I didn't order nothing from them, so looks like we got an unboxing to do tonight.
Will receive a free gift, and all guests can enter for a chance.
He's a little man. Hey y'all. Okay, so I'm back at my house, and like I said, I have a PR unboxing. So I'm gonna sit by the Christmas tree and open up. I hope the lighting's not too bad. Yeah, I should sit it right here. There we go, guys. We got some light. So it's by Pop Beauty. Yeah, I feel like I've heard of them, but I know I didn't order anything for them, so that's why I'm assuming it's PR. Wait, I typed in the wrong name. Hold on. I have nothing in here about Pop Beauty, so let's see what this is all about. Let's look together. Kiss and Sip. Pop Perfect Pout. Cute. Freaking excited. Let me get it out the box. Okay, it's in another box. It's like Christmas in December. Well, you know. That's ridiculous. What? You haven't seen nothing yet. It's a freaking cup and it's pink. Oh my Lanta. They gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of their lip sticks. It's their permanent pout. The perfect velvety matte lip paint for your perfect pout. Oh my Lanta, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. That's wild. This is wild, okay? That's more cool toned. Oh my Lanta. Oh, it's heavy! So these are their swatches. Really, really pretty colors. I'm so excited. So this one and this one are like, hello, my favorites. Like, I love it. And like, that's good, that's good. All this is good. This purple's bomb. So, thank you, Pop Beauty. I will see you tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed day 2 Vlogmas. It turned out pretty eventful, if I should say so myself. I will see you guys shortly. Tomorrow.